Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing my ALC and Yarnable. I was about to say Hypnotic Yarns. Subscription boxes for the end of October, beginning of November. So first off, I want to share with you guys my Yarnable for this month. As you guys know, both of these I have reviewed in the past in my subscription box review series. I'm just doing unboxing shares every month right now for the rest of 2022 in order to kind of help the market stabilize just a little bit. I have identified a subscription box I'm considering doing a soft review on, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, Yarnable. So first up, on my scratch off coupon code down here, I got 10% off my order. I did not get home in time to make an order for her shop update this month, so it is what it is. I do love Cheryl's style. I love Nikki's style. That's why I pay for these boxes individually now that I'm done reviewing them. Originally, I was gifted the ALC box for review. I paid for the Yarnable when I reviewed that. Now I pay for them both. So I'm going to have fun. So the theme for Yarnable this month is Life is Good. I am missing part of my subscription box. Where did I put it? I don't know where I stuck it. Oh no, you guys. I've moved a thing that wasn't supposed to be moved. Oh, there it is. Okay. First off, we have the first thing that I saw when I opened this box, and that is a wedge of cheese stitch marker, and this is a knit stitch marker, it appears. Yes. And it's super lightweight, so once again, it's one I will actually be able to use in my knitting, which is really, really nice. Up next, once again, the theme is Life is Good. So we have this box on the front. It says, I can't trust people who don't like cheese. Boy, ain't that the truth. And I died laughing on the back when I saw the brand name. That's my sense of humor. And inside we have a cheese set, and it says cheese, wine, everything's fine. And of course it's like really hard to see the embossing because it's very bright in here, because I'm blind when there is no light. So my craft room is very bright. So I've told you guys before, I upgraded my phone. I film on my phone. So the camera's a lot better. And I was looking really washed out in the last couple of videos that I filmed on the new camera, and I was dying laughing. So I decided to use a slightly darker foundation today when I did my makeup. And in person, see, on camera right now, I look a little tan. In person, I look a little orange. So died laughing about that. Y'all can now picture me as a pumpkin in a peach top. I thought it was funny. Anyway, so those are our extras for this month. Once again, highly useful. I do enjoy the unique extras. So the cheese knife set, absolutely perfect gift, especially for somebody like me. We're heading into the holiday season when, even if we're not entertaining, Troy and I are very likely to sit around eating cheese and olives for lunch. So, see, advantage of making dietary changes, I realized, oh, wait a minute, I'm not actually lactose intolerant. So, the yarn is Life is Good. I do not understand the blue in the theme, other than it looks very fall. I like this a lot. I do have a soft blue sock yarn that is a very similar tone to this. I'm not going to go digging through my basket right now, but I do have something I think would pair very, very nicely with this. It's a tonal blue with a little bit of cream in it, I believe. So I think that would make a beautiful fall shawl. It's very seasonally appropriate. I really like the colors in this. I just thought that the theme was a little unusual as far as Life is Good. Like, I would expect it to be like cream and orange, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking when I saw the theme. If you're not familiar, I think I've shared before, when Cheryl ships these out, the extras are kind of floating around on their own, and our yarn comes in a bag. So I'll see the theme and everything long before I open the bag and see what color my yarn is. And I try not to do sneak peeks on them. So it does surprise me a lot of months, like how she played on the theme. And this time I don't understand Life is Gouda necessarily for the yarn color, but it is very seasonally appropriate for the fall, which I'm diggity down with. I also need some more neutral things to wear. After I make my next shawl, I'm going to do a gray shawl, I think, for myself next. After I do that, I do really want to start focusing on playing some more with my Yarnables and my ALCs that I've been paying for. So up next, that was my Yarnable. Absolutely beautiful. There'll be a link in the description box down below for where to purchase. I do believe that Yarnable is currently on a wait list. However, I believe ALC just opened up for this week to new subscribers. I could have that mixed up, but check the links out down below. I will have a link to both shops down below. So first off, we have another beautiful threaded pear bag. I love these bucket bags. I find them to be very useful, even if I'm not using them in crafting necessarily. I do find these to be very useful bags in general. So on the inside of this one, it is like the peach one we got a few months ago, where it has multiple pouches on the inside. Folding it down. So when you're using this for yarn, this is wonderful because you can fold down the top half of the bag. And inside you have these loops that you can use to hold different things. I was playing with some mini skeins, little mini sock skeins not too long ago. And I was able to actually secure 4 comfortably in the loops in the bottom of my other bag and use those as my project. So I may try to use these if I do an advent calendar with my scraps. I may use this to kind of help me keep my yarns together. We also have these zippered pouches here that go up into the bag, and we have a clear plastic pouch here as well. So, and we do have little oh no, we don't on this one. There aren't little extra poochie pouches. So this would actually be really good for holding various random little bits up here on top, especially I think needles. If you've got circular needles you're working on and you have to change for your project, especially if you're folding down your bag to access your yarn on the inside. I know every time we get one of these project bags, I sit here and just yammer on about them. But personally, I really find them to be very useful. I do love these, 200 to 300 gram ball size bags. And it does fit fairly large skeins. So this one is a 200 gram skein of Fibra Natura from, dadgummit, brain, Universal Yarn. And it fits perfectly inside, and you can see where you can still have access to the little loops down there. So like if you have like your little hand sanitizer or something like that in there too, you can easily access those, as well as the pouches here on the top. And height wise, you're not even filling up half the bag with something that size. So these are like that perfect size for 2 to 3 skein projects, or if you're doing a lot of minis. I don't know. Check them out, because I know I am a sucker for convenient storage. Not everybody has a passion for those things like I do. So I know that is kind of a weird Carrieism sometimes, but I do really, really, really love these bags. And I find it to be an excellent value in a subscription box when you get a nice quality bag like this along with your yarn. So anyway, as I sit here and continue to extol the benefits. So we got a tea here. Once again, it's a hibiscus berry. I love hibiscus tea. If you are not a hot tea drinker, this is an excellent tea to whip up iced. We got some little Smarties, American Smarties for you Canadians up there that have the M&M Smarties, but we have some American Smarties. We also have a keychain. And that is who Did the custom keychain. And the yarn for this one is called Hallelujah. And it's this gorgeous, gorgeous cranberry. Absolutely beautiful. You can see some speckles in there. It's a beautiful tonal yarn. It is, once again, right in that sweet spot of things that just look great on Carrie around her face, neck, and shoulders. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. But I am very happy once again. So no coupon code on this card. The theme was Gather. October's colorways are inspired by the signs of fall, the gathering of leaves on the ground, or the gathering of friends and family around the fire. Whatever your favorite fall activities are, these colors are reminders of the changing seasons. And then the standard snap it, share it on, do your socials thing. So, once again, we have two very different styles and looks at fall. Very, very different yarn colors, but they're both absolutely gorgeous. I am very happy with my boxes. Once again, I feel like I get my value out of my money spent every month with these two subscription boxes, which is one of the reasons why I've continued to pay for them, even after reviewing them. So anyway, you guys, those are my subscriptions for the end of October, beginning of November. I will see you guys real soon. I love you, and please take care, you guys. Bye.